Well, it's bound to happen. One of you is going to get sick when you're traveling, and unfortunately this morning we woke up and Lynn once again is facing some stomach issues. So what do you do when you're in a small RV like that? For me today, I'll do my best to stay out of the RV and stay outside, and I'll let her rest as much as possible. Ready? I think I'm just getting on Lynn's nerves by going in and out and going in and out, and I'm trying my best to be quiet, but she's still not feeling well. She's running a little bit of a fever, and she just needs to lie down and rest. So I'm going to hop on the bike, head 9, 10, 12 miles that way, and explore a little bit in the town of St. George Island. So I made it about 4.5 miles on the park road. Now there's a bike lane that'll go the rest of the way into town. I'm not sure why people park on the bike trail, but makes it hard to bike into town. So made it to the St. George Island Visitor Center. Let's stop here and see what there is to see. For some reason I'm craving a burger, so I'm going to try to find a place around here that I can go get a burger and do that, and I think I'll head back to the RV. It's taken about 45 minutes on the rad e-bikes. Hasn't been anything difficult to do. Here, I'll double check, see how far I've come so far. It's 12 miles out to where I began today. So, wow, that is a little bit of a haul, isn't it? But on the red e-bikes, it's a piece of cake to do that. And I think I have 4 bars left, so plenty of battery left. Let's see if I can find a burger. So if Lynn had felt like coming, I bet we would have gone up into the lighthouse. I'm not going to do that by myself. My main concern is finding something good to eat. Got a drink, sitting here looking at the ocean. Only thing missing, no Lynn. I succeeded in finding a cheeseburger. Well, that hit the spot. There are a lot of little places to eat right around here. One block closer to the ocean than the Pig and the bridge. So I think I've had enough. I'll head back and check on Lynn and maybe take Maggie for a walk. It's pretty cool riding through some of the homes back here, just a couple blocks off of the ocean. Wow, almost 26 miles later, I'm back at the campground. Looks like Lynn's not outside, so I'm not sure. Let's see if she's up and feeling better. Ooh, my legs don't really want to work very well. Jello legs. Call me a wuss, but I miss my wife. I hope she's feeling better. And when you watch this, sweetheart, hey, look at that. Hey, how are you feeling? A little better? Good. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Let's go in and check on Mom. Well, look who's up and moving around today.
No.
Feeling better?
Feeling a lot better than I did yesterday. But, you know, you're on the road for 9 weeks. You know, you kind of expect that you might get sick sometimes. So.
Especially if you go to Disney World and you're around like 1 million people.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And when you're sick, it's, I don't know, you're not comfortable. So, but we were able to close off the back, and it was dark, and that's what I need. This darkness when my stomach's hurting.
I missed you yesterday.
I miss you too.
I'm glad you're walking with us today.
Me too.
And we're packed up and we're walking out to the water's edge out here just to see the bay one more time and let Maggie do her walk out here in the woods. And then we'll hop in the Echo. We'll head to the next spot on this trip, which is, do you know?
What?
Do you know?
I do know.
What is it? I put you on the spot, didn't I?
Topsail Island.
Topsail Hill Preserve.
Yeah.
We have 2 really cool sites there. I've looked at pictures of those already and can't wait to get there. We have almost a 3-hour drive to go further around to the panhandle of Florida.
So are we going to stop at Cape San Blas?
I doubt it, not with 3 hours.
Oh, okay. Well, Fui. It's such a beautiful place.
If you want to, I guess we can.
No, it's okay.
You think we should?
I don't know. It's pretty.
I guess we have 4 hours. Maggie's a happy girl this morning.
He's always right.
We're walking out here to see the water, but I can tell from what I see already.
I'm not going to be able to see much.
Yeah, we're in fog soup. It's fogged in. That happens a lot here during this time of year. Be careful, Maggie. There's water right out there.
I need to see it from there.
Looks like it looks like a painting. It's like someone drew trees and sand on a canvas.
On a barrier island.
We recommend it.
It's awesome.
See you next time.